Hello guys, still in Sanur, and just had a little drink because I've just come off a lovely walk on the beach. But I think what we'll do is take a little walk along the main strip, keeping in mind it's only about 11:30 in the morning, so still it's quite quiet. I'll come back, I think, and spend a couple of days here. We'll get some nice videos in the early evening and see what it's like on a Saturday night. Enjoy the walk. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, wow, look at that bread. That looks great. Oh, Daily Baguette. Same place that I always rave about in Ubud. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I live in Ubud, and I always go on about the only place to get bread in Ubud is the Daily Bread.
Daily
the
Baguette.
Daily Baguette.
Yeah.
And I didn't realise, then I noticed your bread before I noticed your name of your brand. Have a good day. Oh, these steps are dodgy. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Have a good day.
Or paid?
Oh, well, that pool looks... Oh, it's not a pool. That's a reflection. Definitely the more mature tourist and visitor in Sanur than there is in Ubud. Which is quite nice. It's a nice change. But then that also might be to do with the fact that it's 11 in the morning. All the youngsters are at the gym. Am I digging myself a hole? Hello. All right. Hello. Okay, the main strip has to be longer than this. We're not going to go much further, I don't think. Do I want a car? No, thanks. That's very kind. Have a good day. Oh yeah, we're not going to go any further. Hello. How are you doing? Horse riding? Wow.
Yes.
I've not seen any horses in Bali. Brilliant.
We have Nusa Penida, beautiful island. I'm Balinese. 30 years I organized this trip.
Oh, brilliant.
It's my own company.
Oh, good. Nice bit.
Nusa Penida, you see snorkeling with manta. 3 places for snorkeling and 3 beaches. Drinking, the most beautiful one.
Yeah.
The famous one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's not talk about that.
Yeah.
I've
Yes.
I've
If
been
you
there.
don't want to do snorkeling, you can do 4 beaches, including lunch, everything.
Wow.
Yeah, we
That's
pick
good.
you up
Yeah.
7 a.m. in the morning, and then I drive you to the harbor. From the harbor, we go by speedboat to Nusa Penida.
Wow.
And Nusa Penida, we change by car.
Yeah.
Everything, equipment, everything included.
Brilliant.
So when you finish it,
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
I
really?
can't see very properly. Oh, where's your phone number?
Oh,
Or your contact details?
not only that, so we have Ubud tour as well. You
Oh,
been
yeah.
to Ubud? Ubud?
I live in Ubud.
Oh, you live in Ubud?
Yeah, I've come down here for the day.
Oh, right, this. Nice.
Ah,
This is
brilliant.
my WhatsApp number. This number.
Brilliant. And there's the WhatsApp. Yeah, so most people in Bali use WhatsApp as a main form of contact.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So I hope you get lots of
How many people
custom.
are you?
Huh?
How
Me,
many-
4.5 million.
Only you?
Yeah, only me.
Then you have children right now?
No, just me walking.
Probably when do you want to do that? When you go?
I'm not going to, but all my YouTube fans will.
Okay.
They'll all come here. What's your name?
Wayan.
Wayan. I should have guessed that.
Nice to
I am
meet you.
Katut.
Yeah.
Katut Carlo.
Katut, yeah. But your accent like Manchester.
I'm English. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought you-
Not like Manchester.
Yeah.
I'm
Not
a London.
accent,
I'm a
accent.
Londoner.
London.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. All the best.
Chat me if you want.
Oh, okay. All the best, mate. They love it. Well, you know, they'll never say you're English. They'll always say Manchester, Liverpool. Sadly, I don't like football, so that's always a short conversation. But I sound like a Manchesterian. Hello. How are you? No, thanks, lovely. Hello. You okay? Hello. Hello.
엄마 안아줄게. 아니 안 뺐어.
Getting ready for my friend Claudia, who's going to come and visit. We've got your spa all ready for you, Claudia. So hurry up and get down here. Gateway of India. Wow. Well, that looks colossal. Can't see that. Hello. Look at this tree. Oh, awesome. Love it. Right, I need a drink.
Irgendwas vor die Tür?
Definitely what is needed after all the walks I've been doing today. Have a great day, guys. Speak to you soon.